2 days ago, I did my 20-minute nature walk, and this tree was full of leaves. Hey guys, this is Coach Adam, and I'm doing my regular 20-minute walk, and it just got me thinking that we're in the turning of season, out with the old, in with the new time right now. And if you live in the East Coast, you're going to notice that the fall is almost to an end, and you can tell by the leaves falling on the ground, the trees, the leaves changing color, and the weather temperature dropping a little bit. If you're fortunate enough, you probably are going to get a couple more days good weather or fall weather. But it just got me thinking, how many of us are actually holding on to the old limiting belief system that we hold on to, that we acquired maybe because of past failures, or we learned that when we were kids, or when we learned in a past relationship? And how many of us are actually zapping into our energy stores and the ability to move forward and diminishing that? You see, as a coach, I always get resistance when I try to call someone out or bring them to awareness. And I will always get resistance like, I've never been that excellence person, I've never gotten results, I've never actually succeeded at transforming my body, my confidence level, I've never succeeded at becoming that person that I aspired to be, that I see outside. And here's the question that I ask them: how much longer do you want to hold on to that? And how is that still serving the person you aspire to become? That's the question I ask them, and they're just quiet. They're silent, and because no one's really asked them that. And like nature, like the leaves, like the trees turning, the colors changing, the temperature changing, it is a natural law that we have to be out with the old and in with the new. And my question is this: what old do you have to be out with and declutter? And what new do you have to be in with and reinstall in your mindset that will allow you and enable you to actually become who you aspire to be, with the accepting that even one day that will come to pass? So, out with an old friendship, out with an old relationship, out with an old thought or belief system, out with old pair of jeans that are not fitting you anymore, and in with a new thought, and in with a new workout program, in with a new morning routine. What is it that will serve you? Ask yourself that.